disturbing news tonight coming out of Mobile County District Attorney's Office.
Fox 10 News has learned that DA John Tyson Jr. will file some new motions tomorrow concerning the Herman Thomas trial.
Now, Tyson came to that decision after meeting with 3 jurors today.
Fox 10 News reporter Libby Amos has been at the courthouse all afternoon. She joins us live in the studio with this update. Libby.
Bob and Lenise, it appeared the Herman Thomas saga was complete. The former Mobile County judge stood accused of paddling inmates for sexual pleasure in exchange for leniency in his courtroom. Yesterday, he was found not guilty on all charges. But we found out this afternoon some jurors contacted the DA's office about their say in the final verdict. Now it seems things are far from over. When the not guilty verdict was read in the Herman Thomas trial, family and friends were cheering in celebration.
Thank you.
But today, the state says, not so fast.
Earlier today, we received phone calls from 3 of the jurors in the Thomas case. They indicated that they needed to tell us some things. So we have been arranging to meet with them, and we have met with them. And the result of it is we are preparing some affidavits. Those affidavits are not finished at this point, but I am certain that we're going to file some motions to alert the court about these developments.
Defense attorney Jeff Dean says once the jury made its decision and the verdict was read, the case was over.
I don't think anything can happen. I think that once the judge says, I find you not guilty because this is what the jury has told me, then, come back 2 days later or go home and people are mad at you and you change your mind or whatever. I mean, I just think it's too late.
Fox 10 News talked to 2 jurors today who said they didn't believe the judge would dismiss all of the charges. Dean says if something of that nature really happened, the jurors should have spoken up sooner.
I would be vehemently opposed to setting aside anything now, especially in open court. They heard it read out, they heard the judge say it, and come back a day later or something and say, oh, that's not what I really wanted. Well, they should have spoken up then.
The jurors did not make any comments immediately after the verdict was read, but they certainly spoke up today.
Let's just say at this point, I don't believe that we are finished. I thought that we were finished with the trials yesterday, but in light of the information that we have tonight, I do not think that we are.
Fox 10 News spoke with the judge in the trial, Claude Nielsen. He declined to make any comments on the new developments, saying it would be inappropriate for him to comment at this time. District Attorney John Tyson told me in his 31 years of practicing law, he has never seen anything like this happen before. He said he plans to notify the trial court tomorrow morning.